Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
农历正月20是全国客家日，这天是客家人的天穿日。相传上古时代，水神与火神相争，将天撞出一个大洞。女娲为免去人间灾苦，于是炼石补天。人们感念女娲的帮助，每逢天穿之日就祭祀感恩。客家有句谚语：有做无做，聊到天穿过；有赚无赚，总爱聊天穿。只在天穿日这一天，客家人会放下所有工作，男不耕田，女不织布，让大地休养生息，民众休息。因此当天共唱山歌来庆祝，故天穿日与现今环保的概念十分符合。
Hey Nancy, Happy New Year once again.
Happy Year of the Monkey.
Yes, the Year of the Monkey is here, and we are celebrating 2 New Years because now it's Chinese New Year time, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
And you know there's also a festival known as Lantern Fest. Are you going to that festival?
Of course. And the most important is you get to eat tangyuan.
Oh yes, I love tangyuan, those glutinous rice balls. They are so good. But anyways, I want to ask you, do you know that there's another holiday that the Hakka people celebrate and it's very close to Lantern Fest?
No, tell me.
Well, it takes place on the 20th day of the first lunar month, and it's called 天穿日, which literally means sky-piercing day, and in Hakka, 天穿日.
天穿日.
That's right.
Okay, so I hope that doesn't mean there's actually a hole in the sky.
Well, actually there is, and it's a hot topic right now, but that's not what we're talking about. The Hakka has a traditional story behind it, and it's about these 2 gods that were in a fight.
Ooh.
The water god and the fire god. They had a big fight in the sky, they tumbled around, they punched each other, and finally they created a hole in the sky. And that's not good, is it?
No.
Yeah. So another goddess came to help. Her name is Nuiwa, and she decided to fill up the hole to save humanity, to save planet Earth.
Oh, okay, so celebrating Sky Piercing Day is actually thanking Nuwa for her hard work.
And there's an old saying that on this very day, you should let the land rest. We take a day off, sing some mountain songs, and of course let that goddess, do her job.
Wow, good on her.
Fill up that hole and then celebrate it. So it has become a cultural day for the Hakka people.
Wow, so no work on Sky Piercing Day. I want to celebrate this holiday.
And I'm all for that as well. Well, let's have Leo teach some of these phrases right here, such as the rice balls, 汤圆,
半夜,
半夜. And this holiday is known as 天穿日,
天穿日,
天穿日. And finally, 可以好好的休息,
歇坤,
歇坤, that means take some rest. All right, happy 天穿日 to everyone once again. And thank you for listening to Talk About Hakka. 安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.